Hello guys, this is Kawanjong. I ordered something in the online, so we're gonna see here what's inside. So let me open it now. What's inside? Wow, I'm so excited. I'm very excited. What is it? So this is the battery charger. This is the best battery charger. I researched it like a few hours. Energy charge. Okay. And other thing is the LaCie Rukma. This is the hard drive, external drive. This is a 5 terabyte, 5000 GB. This is the best one. This is very good, so that's why I buy this again. Okay, so this is very good. So actually I have another one here. So this is a 4000. This is a 4000 GBs. Since I'm using a lot of videos, video editings, so you need this one. This is very high speed, but I like to buy another one, so which is more higher GB, 5000. So that's why I purchased again, because this quality is very good. So I have a good experience with it. I have never a problem with this one. So that's why I shop this continue. So that's the reason I picked this one again. Alright, so let me open this one. What comes with it. Okay. Alright. This comes with some instruction, I think. Some kind of different language. This is Japanese language, I think. Japanese, Chinese, and English. And this is the instruction how to connect to the computer, like that. It's very simple. So once you connect to the computer, you need to, I think, register a little bit. And this is the USB wire. Wow, this is very heavy. I think much heavier than the one I had before. So this is the you need it if you are videographers, photographers, movie editings. You need this one. Otherwise, you can work with your computer. This is very heavy. I think how many pounds? It's about 3-4 pounds. Like I think so. So much thicker too. You see the difference. Now I have a 2 here. So this is very fast. Okay. So what I'm going to do is once for my backup, only for my backup, my computer backup, once for the editing. So that's the purpose I bought this one. Okay. That's be it, guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. So I will see you in my next video.